Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Amal, good morning. NSE the King, good morning. Gears and Strings, good morning. Varnika, good morning. Mahesh, good morning. Okay. Pawan, good morning. Pawan, good to see you. Good morning. Yuvraj, good morning. Very good, very good. Pramod, good morning. Um, can I request everyone to just click on the like button here and feel free to share this link with your friends and in your network? Thank you. Okay, 9 बज के 4 मिनट हो गया है. Let's quickly have a look at where the market is likely to open. Gift Nifty is suggesting 24252 और Nifty futures close हुआ है कल 24206. So about 40 odd points higher than Nifty futures. So we can expect a flat to a slightly positive opening. This is what I'm expecting. But the key question is, does it hold or does it fall from here? असली चीज ये है because इसमें कोई खास momentum नहीं है. We are not getting about 100 points of at least 50-60 points gap up. We are not getting that. That is a cause of concern. So let's see. It should hold above that. Good morning, Avijit. Requesting everyone to please like this broadcast and also share the link with your network, with your friends, etc. Who do you think will be in a position to benefit from this? Thank you. Trust everybody got a chance to go through the trade plan last night. So, till the time 23,992 is respected on the closing basis, there is nothing wrong for bulls. And for the intraday, we need to stay above 24,119 or 24,120, let's say, for in the first 1 hour. But उससे पहले अगर close नीचे आ जाता है, it can go down and but it can also bounce back up. So going down is not a problem, but it should close above 24,120, and that should be good. Our challenge is Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty is not supporting us. Bank Nifty is not supporting us, and despite a good up move yesterday, Bank Nifty hardly moved anything. So Bank Nifty थोड़ा सा watch करने का है आज, because if Bank Nifty does not go up today, it will drag the Nifty down. Good morning, Shashi, and thank you so much. Good morning, Ravi. Good morning, Rekha. Please remember to like this session right away and share the link with your network. Thank you. Okay, Gift Nifty trading around 260 right now. On 15 minutes, this is where we are seeing the likelihood of a positive move around 1045 for Bank Nifty. So if price action is confirming, then the time is right for the up move. Let's see. कल निफ्टी का ऑल टाइम हाई क्लोज था, प्री ओपन के रेट्स आ गए हैं और बहुत अच्छे रेट्स आए हैं। 24,228, वेरी नाइस, दिस इज बियॉन्ड आवर एक्सपेक्टेशंस। 24,228, वेट अ सेकंड, 261 टू, ये तो कुछ और बता रहा है। 228, ओके, या निफ्टी इज 24,228 वर्सेस द क्लोज ऑफ 141, तो बहुत बढ़िया, अच्छा मूव निफ्टी में एक्सपेक्टेड है। 24,228, even if it comes down it should take support around 174, 164, 24174, 24164 and then resume its way up, ये भी हो सकता है। एंड चांसेस आर कि एक छोटा सा डिप आ सकता है, बिकॉज बैंक निफ्टी के बिल्कुल रेजिस्टेंस पे खुल रहा है। बैंक निफ्टी इज ओपनिंग एट 52793, 52793 और 52826 पे एक रेजिस्टेंस दिख रहा है हमको, R3। इंटरेस्टिंग, तो खुलते ही छोटा सा डाउन मूव आ सकता है। आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आएगा, आई एम सेइंग आ सकता है, सो मेंटली वी शुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड। एंड देन once the low is made, it will consolidate and then it can move up again. Very interesting, very interesting. यहाँ खुल रहा है बैंक निफ्टी, यहाँ खुल रहा है निफ्टी। So our, these are our levels marked on the way up: 208, 223 and 253, ये हमने मार्क कर रखा है। तीन टारगेट्स हैं। पहला टारगेट ऑब्वियसली ऑल टाइम हाई होगा, 24174, 164 जो पिछले कल हाई बनाया था वो, और 174, उसके बीच में एक जोन है जहां रेजिस्टेंस आ सकता है। लेकिन अगर ये ऊपर खुल रहा है then that's good news for all of us. 52793 and 24228. Stay focused on Nifty because Nifty is the one that is making a new all-time highs. Bank Nifty is only following. So on the call side, I will be more keen on Nifty. Let's see where actually the market opens. The pre-open is looking very good and decent. Thank you, Mahesh. Requesting everyone, can we have a click on the like button, please? There are 18 people right now. छोटी सी कम्युनिटी है हमारी यार, दोस्तों की, उसमें भी अगर लाइक बटन आ जाएगा, क्लिक हो जाएगा तो अच्छा लगेगा। थैंक यू महेश। गुड मॉर्निंग हिमांशु। निफ्टी बैंक opening 219 points, thank you Pramod, and Nifty opening up by 86 points, अच्छी खबर है। Let me post it on Telegram. Done. हिमांशु मजा आ रहा है? 1.5 minutes to go. Please ensure your terminals are unlocked. SAS terminals are unlocked by placing a dummy order. We use SAS Trader for fastest execution of our trades. I have tried 11 trading terminals in my career and I found this to be the fastest. No wonder most of us use this. Thank you, Imanshu. Wonderful. This is 15 minutes. This is our 3 minutes. We might as well ignore everything on the chart except the pivot points. We don't need anything else. Less than a minute to go. Stand by. Wait for the open. Nifty is trading above 200 EMA, which is good. And is also trading above 22 EMA, which is also very good. So these two will act as support. Even if it goes up, opens up, but comes down, we will expect a support at these two levels and then a move upwards. Just a few seconds to go. There you are. It opens up and is going down, taking support as expected. आप डेली चार्ट पे भी देखिए वहीं पे गया और ये सपोर्ट ले रहा है 174 पे. क्या बोला था? आज का लो 176 है अभी तक का. ओके, let's keep looking at this. My view is on the call side because we are seeing a respect of the support. But the upside immediately is at this moment looking limited because there is a 24260 resistance here and यहाँ पे भी ऊपर resistance है जहाँ पे बैंक निफ्टी resistance लेकर के अभी नीचे चल रहा है. So this has to be cleared with conviction. 15 minutes पे it has made a base here and has a series of resistance up. Okay. Nifty is getting stronger as expected and Nifty is now in green on 3 minutes candles as you can see. We had spoken about an option on Nifty yesterday. It's already trading at 330 right now. It actually came down to 270 exactly as per the super trend और यहाँ से bounce होकर के ऊपर चली गई. Even if you have taken the trade in it today early morning, first thing you should be sitting on a good profit. Good profit. We are positionally long, so there is nothing that I am doing. I am just trailing my stop loss so that I lock my gains. Nifty on 3 minute chart is showing a good traction in RSI. For Bank Nifty, it is still less than 60. आप में से कई लोग बैंक निफ्टी के ऊपर लगे हुए हैं विदाउट रियलाइजिंग कि बैंक निफ्टी में जान नहीं है अभी. Do not blindly trade in Bank Nifty unless until you understand it has got strength. First 3 minutes, Bank Nifty has made a big candle and that too a red one. But Nifty is looking good and it can make another attempt at 24,260. Why? Because possibility of that is high because of the RSI being above 60. Bank Nifty's RSI has to close above 60 to see some strength. Meanwhile, Nifty is already trading around 69.70. So bias is on the upside. सपोर्ट ले चुका है मार्केट और उसके बाद we should see a sustained up move if all goes well. Nifty and Bank Nifty are both strong on RSI on daily charts, Nifty being stronger, and on hourly chart Nifty is definitely stronger above 68 के ऊपर है RSI, 54 पे Bank Nifty है. On 15 minutes it is 58 and 67, so Nifty is stronger. And as you can now see on the 3 minute charts also, Nifty is moving towards its day's high with conviction. Bank Nifty is now slightly trying to go above 60, लेकिन ये close चाहिए हमारे को 60 से ऊपर, तभी उसमें strength आएगी. Nifty wanting to go up. Very near day's high. Why is it that I'm sensing that the momentum is lacking? बहुत strong momentum उम्मीद थी, उतना momentum नहीं आ रहा है. Maybe it will come once this level is crossed. That's where the call writers will panic and leave their positions. Nifty has made a new all-time high of 24,236.35. Congratulations, everyone. हिमांशु, साढ़े नाल रहोगे तो ऐश करोगे. Good going, everyone. Perfect. Okay, the third candle is in formation. Please trail your SL if you have initiated a trade, because market में strength missing है. So if you do not make any money, at least don't lose money. Nifty at 237 on futures. Our morning trade time is ideally up to 9:30 and rarely up to 9:45, except on trending days where we carry it even further. But normally हम 9:30 तक अपना काम करके निकल जाते हैं. See, as I said, the momentum seems to be lacking. In the second candle, it should have crossed the high of the first candle, which has not happened. Nifty की बात कर रहा हूं मैं, which has not happened as yet. It's making another attempt. Making another attempt. What do we see on the multi-time frame chart? Multi-time frame chart, we are seeing the second 5 minute candle And we are seeing a beautiful gap up. Very good. How do we identify this gap up? This is how we do that. We pick up a rectangle, and pick the high of this and low of this. And इसको हम extend कर सकते हैं. This will become a support for the further up move. Trust you are getting what I'm trying to do. And we lock this so that this remains visible. ये 5 मिनट के चार्ट पे मैंने लास्ट की 5 मिनट की कैंडल और आज सुबह की 5 मिनट की कैंडल के बीच में whatever the gap was, I've tried to make a small rectangle so that we know that this is the support zone. So anytime the market comes down, either at this level or at this level or anywhere in between, we can expect the market to again. So these are the things. Also notice that when I made it in 5 minute chart, it automatically got plotted in 15 and 1 hour and 1 day. I don't know if you can spot that 1 day. Can you see it here? It's done here. How it is done. Right now, I'm talking about morning trades, please. जिसने सुबह सुबह ट्रेड इनिशिएट किया उसके लिए बात कर रहा हूं मैं. And keep an eye on what is happening on the 5 minutes charts because we are very close to 9:30 now. 5 मिनट रह गया है. This is the futures for 3 minutes, and this is the spot across time frames. For positional, do not worry. For positional, do not worry. Look at the daily and hourly chart for positional. That's it. It's clearly made a higher high, and it has not broken the previous candle's low. So there is nothing to worry. Even if it comes down, that could be a breather, nothing else. Positional, you can sleep over it. I mean, if you have uneasiness, you can exit out. That is your sweet will. But technically speaking, there is no loss of strength for positional. आप नोट करिए ना निफ्टी जो है अभी भी गैप अप पे है. 5 मिनट पे देखिए. This is on a gap up. Even if it fills the gap, it can again resume upward trend. So what you're seeing is only if you are in positional trade, then you can't be watching it minute to minute whole day. Look at 15 minutes charts. यहाँ तक गया है option, and then it's again stabilized around 300, 318, 319. और ये हमारा 15 minutes का chart है. You can do the same thing here. Identify a rectangle, pick up the high of yesterday and low of today, and this is your support zone. Lock this by clicking here, and you are done. This is not a time to put trailing stop loss for positional traders. For morning trade, you can because you're only in and out doing kind of a scalping in the morning. So it depends upon what is the way you want to trade. For morning scalper, you want few points within few minutes in and out, done. But for positional trader, you just want to ensure that you're carrying a position as long as the trend is intact. The trend is intact. Do not bother about this. We were expecting this that the morning market ऊपर खुल सकता है और उसके बाद थोड़ा सा नीचे जाके stabilize करेगा. It will find a support and it will then again resume the uptrend. And I would strongly recommend keep the lot size as one if you are starting, and if you are not, if 80% of your trades are not in green, please retain lot, only one lot till the time you see consistency in your trades, which means 5 में से 4 दिन you should be in green. चाहे 10 रुपए बने हो, doesn't matter, right? So ensure that you are first learning the tricks of the game rather than increasing the number of lots, because we can all go wrong. Okay. Can everyone just share how much have they made in terms of your move captured, either in calls or in puts or in whatever? If you could just share your details of your trade just in terms of points captured, nothing else. How many points were you able to capture? That's it. No trade yet. Okay. Fair enough. Look, it has made some kind of a low. अगर आप इसको 3 minutes पे देख रहे हो, तो Nifty has made some kind of a low here. Bank Nifty is continuously weaker. हमें पहले से ही पता था Bank Nifty तकलीफ में है. What do we see on the 15 minutes chart? You will get a broader picture on the higher time frames rather than just shorter time frames. So this is where you should be focusing on. Nifty is moving down. Where will it get the support? It has to get the support. Don't panic. Positional traders, please be relaxed. 50 points in Bank Nifty puts. Wonderful, Raj. Excellent. It reached up by 35. It's again waiting. It's okay. If you're in positional trade, Himanshu, then stop watching it minute to minute. But enjoy the morning trade if I can say so. Bank Nifty must have given a decent down move from wherever it was. See, look at this. ये देखिए. So it doesn't matter whether you're in call or put, as long as you are not losing much, you're fine. You should not lose more than a certain percentage of your trading capital. Nifty seems to be finding some support. Let's see. On the 5 minute chart, Nifty is finding support at 22 EMA. It has filled all the gap that it had made. Bank Nifty seems to be finding support around 52,397 broadly, जहां पे हमारा पिछला टारगेट लेवल था और उसको क्रॉस किया था. That is where it is finding support, which is good news for Nifty because that means Nifty would possibly resume the uptrend if that support is respected by Bank Nifty. कल रात को ट्रेड टाइम में बोला था मैंने 24,100 के आसपास फिर आ सकता है before it decides to go up. $934. If you have not closed your trades, morning trades, please do so. If you are in a positional trade, just relax, sit back, have a cup of coffee, and enjoy yourself. For the ones who have not yet picked up a morning trade, this is a good area you can initiate a trade. Ideally, your best chance was at the super trend, which came down around 270 in the morning, but the next best option is around 293. I don't want to talk about the strike and details because that's not ethical. So I'm just showing what is a possibility. I I will wait for a time at 10:45 and see how Nifty shapes up and takes advantage of the time cycle. Rekha captured 75 points and Bank Nifty put fantastic, super. You're amazing. Wonderful. Uh, Pramod 24122 seems to be a good support on Nifty spot with absolutely this is what we discussed. You would remember this is what I said 24119 or 24120 is a good support. Yes, you're right. 15 minutes. This is what I had said in the video 24119 और उसके ऊपर ही है अभी तक. And for the first hour, it should not close below this level of 24119. All is well after that. It's coming close, but it should not close below this. 1 hour means 10:15. 10:15 tak it should remain, even if it comes down, but it should go back up and close above 24119. Then the uptrend is intact, likely. नीचे जा रहा है कोई फिक्र की बात नहीं. We need to understand that the trend is not compromised. We are looking at it is consistently making higher highs, and this is a profit booking that is coming in right now. It can go up to here, but I'm waiting for 10:45 to see if I'm able to capitalize on the time cycle. Who else has made money? Anyone else here who has made money? How many points in green? That's all I want to know. I don't want to know. I don't want to know about your MTM or money made, please. Let me clarify. Just the points captured, nothing else. 60 points in Bank Nifty puts. Wonderful. Wonderful. You'll soon realize that you can do your job with first 15 minutes of the day and, focus on whatever you're doing whole to the day. Ladies and gentlemen, please do not forget to click like. Please like on the stream. Thank you so much. Nifty at 24120, the precise level that I'm talking about. The close should be above this level after 1 hour. My sense is it can go up to 24095 or so. Let's say 24100 and then bounce back. वो भी हो सकता है. Close ऊपर होना चाहिए बस. That's all. Then we have the chances that all is well. Okay, the low so far made is 24116 and Nifty is trading at 24123, 126. देखिए, this is how the levels work. What's the open interest telling us? Wait a minute. Let me also refresh. Market is trying to find support around the indicated level of 24119,120. Will it succeed? I am expecting a dip up to 2411100. I mentioned in the trade plan also yesterday that it is possible, and then it can bounce back up. but an attempt to protect 24120 is on. All writing is heavy, so Nifty is being dragged down by the bears. What about Bank Nifty? My system is slow to respond. I'm just waiting for it to show me the correct scenario. Bank Nifty also, the call writers are in control and wanting to take Bank Nifty down. So in both cases, the indices are under pressure. But these things can change, because call the open interest comes to us every 3 minutes at the earliest. और 3 मिनट में तो गेम चेंज कर देता है मार्केट. Okay, so this level is being tested. Let's see. Will it fall to 24052? The next level support. 945. All who were sitting in Bank Nifty put trade would be uneasy. Why did they quit early? Why did they exit early? For morning trade, the whole idea is to keep the loss very minimal so that if you get the direction right, you make money, and if you do not get it right, you do not lose much money. That's the mantra. How much green, Rutvik? Good. How many points captured? Please share. Let's look at the trend across time frames. ये प्रॉफिट बुकिंग है जो आपको दिख रही है. दिस इज नॉट चेंज ऑफ डायरेक्शन बिकॉज हायर हाई हायर लो बन रहा है on the daily chart. On the hourly chart, it has made a solid red candle, but that is again, this is what we are that is what I'm talking about in terms of profit booking. And we will just wait for a trend change. What is happening on 30-minute charts? 30 minutes, wonderful. We are getting a support at 22 EMA. Perfect. Perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, if you remember, I talked about ORB that if the support level is just below the breakdown zone, do not venture out in puts at this stage because it may not work because यहाँ से ये bounce कर सकता है. It is sitting on a good support here. This is the time for you to look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles in time frame. अभी हमेशा गिरता ही नहीं रहेगा, कहीं ना कहीं सपोर्ट आएगा. We need to understand that. And this is not the time to initiate any put, by the way. Please understand this. Market is looking for a support right now and then it can move up. 15 मिनट्स के दो कैंडल बने हैं और 30 मिनट्स के एक कैंडल बन चुका है, दूसरे को सपोर्ट मिल रहा है. एंड इफ द सपोर्ट works, which I guess it should, we can see up move from here, which means I would buy the calls at a discount. मेरे लिए डिस्काउंट सेल लगी हुई है. डू यू सी दिस? 270 पे दोबारा आया है. You'll have to think from a call perspective to make money. अगर आप मिनट टू मिनट, सेकंड टू सेकंड देखोगे तो पैसा नहीं बनेगा. Do you see a jump? Do you see a jump where I said यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट आ सकता है? And this is broadly around 24,100. I am adding on to my positional long positions at a discount price. I was waiting for this Diwali sale. While many of you would be panicking, I was sitting and hoping it does go down further so I can get a discounted option. £30. Good job, Rutvik. Very good. Captured 72 points in Bank Nifty puts. Varnika, wonderful. Wonderful. As I said, इस समय puts का time नहीं है. Market can find a support and bounce back, which is exactly what it is doing right now. 10 minutes to go before we close for the day today for the morning trade. Ladies and gentlemen, please remember to click on the like button. Need your support. Need your support to grow the channel and ensure it reaches as many people as possible. People who are consistently making losses, we want them to come here and understand how to trade. ये देखिए 15 minutes पे even Bank Nifty is getting a support at 200 EMA. Perfect. And 52159 ये लेवल पहले से लगी हुई थी. देखिए इसको ध्यान से. This is the retracement level which has worked very well, and Bank Nifty is finding support, thereby giving Nifty all the hope that Nifty was wanting. So Bank Nifty को ये support मिल गया 15 minutes पे यहाँ पे. और Bank Nifty ने देखिए कैसी कैंडल बनाई है 5 मिनट चार्ट पे. This is to be noticed. What is this candlestick pattern? 9:45 की 5 मिनट की Bank Nifty कैंडल का पैटर्न क्या है, बताएगा कोई? 9:45 कैंडल 5 minutes की Bank Nifty की. What is this candle pattern called? Okay, it's kind of a hammer. Perfect. Green hammer. Perfect. अगर ये हैमर है तो इस हैमर का मतलब क्या होता है? Have we reached at the end of the fall? Yes or no? Very likely. So we can trade up. We can trade up with the stop loss of the low of this candle. But we are not trading in Bank Nifty. We are trading in Nifty. So We look at this, but we buy the stronger index, which is Nifty. So Nifty में आपका ये देखिए क्या मूव आया है. Similar kind of a pattern here. Not necessarily a hammer, but uska similar pattern hai. Let's see if it now sustains above 24,100. And by the time we hit 1015, it should stay above 24120. This is what I've been maintaining since the trade plan. And we will wait for 1045 to see when the time is right, is the price action supporting us? If it does, we can see the market going up once again. In retrospect, when you will look at it, and you will realize it was a great time to buy calls at discount. This is what I normally do. My logic is intact that on the daily charts, it's a higher high, higher low. On the intraday 1 hour chart, it's just done some profit booking. That's it. और ये 15 5 मिनट के चार्ट तो इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग के लिए है, स्कैल्पिंग के लिए है, मॉर्निंग ट्रेड के लिए है. This is just for reference. But on the hourly chart, there is no change of trend. There is a confusion, there is profit booking, but then it's finding a support here at 22 EMA and it is trying to move up. The stop loss remains the low of this candle. ये जो हैमर बना है बैंक निफ्टी में, उसके नीचे स्टॉप लॉस है. Unlikely it will be hit, but then we should be aware. If this low is breached, then whatever position we have in the call side, we could consider exiting in the trade initiated now. Positional के लिए do not worry. Once again I'm saying, पोजिशनल के लिए ये माइनर दिन में इंट्राडे अप्स एंड डाउन चलेंगे और क्लोज फिर ऊपर जाके हो जाएगा. और ये कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न आपको तब समझ में आते हैं व्हेन यू स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट इट अक्रॉस टाइम फ्रेम्स. बिकॉज इफ यू लुक एट ओनली वन टाइम फ्रेम, यू विल नॉट get the clarity. Well, the market seems to be finding a support and wanting to move up. Nifty Bank has found support at 200 EMA, which is good. And Nifty seems to have also found a support around 22 EMA, which is also good. Perfect. We are just waiting for the trend confirmation. We will not carry on till 10:15. वो आप देखिएगा. We will close in the next 3 4 5 minutes. But the guidance further is that ensured the market is not closing below 24,120 at 10:15 a.m. If it is above that, we have a possibility of the market retracing all the way up. And if the close is below that, then you need to be careful. Then you can keep your stop losses in place, because then intraday at least we may see a trend change. And wait for 10:45 if you can, to ensure that you can see a upside move. Chances are it will find some support at around current levels 24,100 के थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे में ये support पे रहेगा, and from here it can start the upward journey. If the price action is positive, the time is definitely conducive for it to look at the upside move. Why this desperation, my friend? When SL is hit, Himanshu, why do you have to buy it again? आपका ट्रेड तो पोजिशनल था, if I recall correctly. Because the moment you get into the desperate trading ना, अभी मैं दोबारा ले लेता हूँ, फिर एग्जिट कर जाता हूँ, फिर दोबारा ले लेता हूँ. अभी ठीक है, but avoid this because this leads to over trading. This leads to over trading. I've been again and again saying that positionally you don't have to worry. It is only for the morning trade और अर्ली मॉर्निंग जो स्कैल्पिंग करते हैं उसके लिए पोजीशन था कि अगर नीचे आपका ऐसे हिट हो जाता है देन दैट्स इट. बट फॉर पोजिशनल ट्रेडर्स यू कैन जस्ट सिट ऑन इट बिकॉज ये जितना नीचे गया उतना रिट्रेस भी कर जाएगा शाम तक. Look at Nifty now, 24,122. It is trying to sustain up. This is what I was saying. It will stay around 24,099. ये 24,100 का जो लेवल है इसके आसपास थोड़ा सा प्लस और थोड़ा सा माइनस रहेगा टिल around that time. In the meanwhile, 10:15 पे another 15 minutes from now, it is already 10 o'clock. 15 minutes from now, we should see a close above 24,119. All is well in that case. We need to understand and differentiate between morning trades and positional trades. Positional trades का जो mindset है, जो logic है, वो different है. उसमें we are not perturbed with these small moves and up moves. आपको एक बहुत बड़ा डाउन मूव लगेगा, जितना चार्ट को स्ट्रेच कर दोगे ना उतना बड़ा डाउन मूव लगेगा. But if you see from a perspective across time frames, it will look like it was small correction and the move is again resuming. Look at this, it has made a low, it is now making higher highs. It's in front of your eyes. These two levels which are acting as support now will act as resistance. The Nifty has to now clear out above these two levels. ये अब उसके लिए एक resistance zone का काम करेगा. And that is where it will spend most of the time. It will get resistance, come down. ये ऊपर जाएगा यहाँ तक जाएगा, उसके बाद नीचे आ सकता है. फिर ऊपर जाएगा कहीं पे, यहाँ पे या बीच में कहीं पे, फिर नीचे आ सकता है. फिर ऊपर जाएगा, इसको क्रॉस करके नीचे यहाँ नीचे आएगा टच करके, and then it will go up. This is how it goes up, zigzag, sine wave की तरह. It doesn't go up vertically. However, if there is a strength, it does go sharply up. देखिए, टच किया यहाँ पे और नीचे आ रहा है, फिर टच करेगा. So this is the nature of the market. You need not panic. Clearly 15 मिनट पे आपको दिख रहा है कि बेस बन चुका है और अब मार्केट एक नया अप ट्रेंड पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है. दैट्स इट. So we have some new people here. Divakar, where are you from? Which city? Abhijit, I know you're from Kolkata. Thank you. Himanshu is from Jaipur. I know. Yuvraj, if I remember correctly, is from Noida. Jigar Patel also here. Jigar, where are you from? Which city? Anyone who's not part of the elite group, it will be nice to know which city you are from. Divakar, you're also from Noida. Okay. I trust all of you are part of the Simple Trades Telegram channel. I do not post much there. But whenever I'm in Noida, I would definitely write that I would be in Noida. And if you want to catch up for a cup of tea, coffee, It'll be nice to catch up with anyone who's in Noida. क्या आप देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे इसको एक रेजिस्टेंस मिला? This is how it will happen. It will go up, come down, and then finally exit out of this top zone. The morning trade time is well overdone. So if you allow me, we can close the session here. You already have the idea what is to be done. You can carry on with that. Thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your time. Hope this has given you some value. Please do remember to like this session. Click on the like button and let your friends and network also know that they can peacefully trade, understand the trends better, and there is some learning for you. Thank you once again, everyone. Have an amazing day ahead. Bye bye.